I want some Godiva. Godiva, baby. Godiva. And there's only one place that sells it. I remember when we actually had a Godiva boutique here and a Godiva boutique in the airport. But it was in the Oak Court Mall, and if you know anything about Oak Court Mall, it's barely hanging on by a thread. I'm not even sure Oak Court Mall is still open at this time, to be honest with you. Can I get closer? Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Yes, you can get a little closer. Closer. There we go. Ooh, child. I'm trying to see.